Imagine a workday where routine tasks are handled seamlessly by AI, freeing you to focus on what truly matters. In the next 5 minutes, we'll introduce you to the essential AI toolkit: natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning frameworks. Then we'll walk through 2 live demonstrations: text generation with a language model, followed by image creation with a graphic generator. Finally, we'll share best practices to integrate these tools into your daily workflow, so you can start experimenting with confidence. Let's begin with the basics. Artificial intelligence tools come in 3 main categories. First, natural language processing, or NLP, which lets machines understand and generate human language. Next, computer vision, which interprets and classifies images and video. And third, machine learning frameworks, the underlying libraries and platforms that power these capabilities. Each category offers unique possibilities. Together, they form a toolbox for automating tasks, uncovering insights, and sparking creativity. Now let's dive into our first demonstration: text generation. Picture a scenario where you need to draft an email, a report outline, or a blog post. Using an NLP model, you simply feed in a prompt, like draft a customer outreach email for a product launch, and within seconds, the model produces a coherent, professional draft. Watch as we input that prompt. Within moments, the AI suggests a friendly greeting, highlights the product benefits, and even includes a call to action. The result? A polished email ready for your review and customization. No more staring at a blank page. Instead, you have a solid starting point in seconds. Next, we'll explore computer vision with an image generator. Imagine creating custom graphics or visual concepts without hiring a designer. We type a prompt: generate a colorful illustration of a team collaborating around a digital whiteboard. In moments, the tool renders a vibrant scene with people, screens, and brainstorming icons. This example shows how you can rapidly prototype marketing visuals, social media posts, or presentation slides. It's not perfect art, but it gives you a clear concept to refine or hand off to a designer. With these demonstrations in mind, let's talk about integrating AI tools into your daily workflow. Start small. Automate a single repetitive task like drafting emails or generating image placeholders. This pilot approach helps you assess effectiveness and make adjustments without disrupting your entire process. Then, establish monitoring routines. Track usage, collect feedback, and iterate on your prompts and configurations. Continuous monitoring and iteration ensure your AI solutions stay accurate and aligned with your goals. Training and guidelines are equally important. Provide clear instructions on how and when to use these tools. Offer examples of effective prompts and share best practices. A well-informed team feels confident experimenting with AI, reducing misuse and confusion. Maintain human oversight at every stage to catch errors, refine outputs, and ensure accountability. After all, AI should augment human decision-making, not replace it. By following these steps, start small, monitor closely, train thoroughly, keep humans in control, you can unlock significant productivity gains. Forbes reports that integrating AI into existing workflows frees professionals to focus on strategic tasks while automating mundane processes. And as you gain experience, you can expand your AI toolkit, combining NLP, computer vision, and machine learning frameworks in creative new ways. Beyond out-of-the-box tools, machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch let you build custom models tailored to your needs. With these platforms, you can train classifiers, regression models, or even reinforcement learning agents using your own data. While this requires a bit more coding, it opens the door to solving unique challenges and fine-tuning performance. Start by exploring pre-trained models and tutorials online. Then gradually work towards custom training sessions. The community offers extensive resources and sample code to guide you each step of the way. To recap, we defined the 3 core AI tool categories. We saw text and image generation in action, and learned best practices for small-scale implementation, monitoring, training, and human oversight. Start integrating AI tools today and experience a new level of efficiency.